Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is super exciting. I'm going to be unboxing my new MacBook. I never thought or planned to do a video for this, but when I went researching different MacBooks that I was thinking about getting, I saw a lot of people do these videos and I thought it'd be kind of fun. I'm also going to do a little bit of a comparison to my old MacBook, and when I say old MacBook, I mean old MacBook. I have the really old 2012 model of MacBook Pro. I have it here to show you. It's this thick, complete dinosaur CD drive, really old. I actually got it in it was 2015 or 2016 because I got it my senior year of high school to use for college. So to me it's about 5 years old, which actually isn't as long as I thought I was going to get out of this. I thought this was going to last me a lot longer, but it took a dive the other day. It's really sad. I did everything I could to fix it. I was having an issue with the battery. It still works, but it only works if I have it plugged in and charging. It won't actually charge the battery at all. It's just running off the power from the outlet. So that's not really practical if you want a laptop that you can move around. So anytime I unplug it or try to move it, it shuts off right away. And I tried replacing the battery. I took it to a bunch of different places yesterday, and they all said it probably has something to do with the logic board inside of the computer. And to replace that would be like $400, and for that I might as well put that money towards a new computer. So I did try and save this one. It did me well. I actually just scratched it up the other day for the first time in all the time that I've had it. So other than that, it's in really good condition, but it just can't hold a battery anymore. It just kept saying that it wouldn't detect the battery every time I had it plugged in or trying to use it at all. It wouldn't show the battery percentage in the corner. Yeah, so I don't know if anyone else has had this problem. I researched it a lot, so I think it's not that rare. I feel like it kind of happens to a lot of people, but everyone was able to fix it with the solutions in the different forums I saw, but mine just wouldn't work. Everyone said it was kind of a lost cause, so I did go ahead and purchase a new one. But yeah, as you can see, it's definitely be quite the upgrade because I did get the brand new 2020 model of the MacBook Pro. I did get the darker color. It's the space gray. I wasn't sure, I kind of wanted to stick with the silver just because I've always had that, but I wanted something different, and I feel like the space gray is really cool and modern now. But I'm so excited to open the new one. It's going to be so much lighter and thinner. I did look at them in store. I was trying to buy it at Best Buy because Apple's closed right now. But I went to Best Buy and they actually didn't have any in stock, and also not even at any store around me. So he went ahead and ordered it for me, and it came in a day because I think I went out yesterday. No, it was Monday. Monday I went out, and today's Wednesday. So it only took 2 days to get here, which was awesome because I didn't have to wait that long. Now I have it and I'm really excited to open it. Enough with this really long intro. I'm just going to go ahead and open the box. I'm so excited. So it came in this big shipping box, obviously, from UPS, I think was shipping it. I'm trying not to throw it around too much. It's also kind of hard to see in the frame. I'm gonna try my best to open it. Oh, I'm so excited. These little kid scissors probably are not gonna help, but okay, I'm gonna get rid of this now. Here it is, in all its glory, in the pretty Apple box. I love opening Apple products. I never want to get rid of the packaging just because it's so nice, but I have to. But yes, this is the MacBook Pro 13-inch in space gray. I just got the base model. I do a lot of graphic design, obviously, photography, video, so I would probably benefit from having a faster processor, but in my mind I was anything's gonna be better than the dinosaur I had, because that one did work really well, but it would be very slow sometimes, and I don't think I really needed any more upgrade than what I had, because this is already twice the memory of what I have on there. It's about half the storage though. I bought that MacBook Pro back in the day. I got the older one just because I wanted the 500 gigabytes of space. I actually never ended up using all of that, and I also have an external hard drive. So having a lot of storage didn't really mean too much to me. So I did get the 256, I think, gigabyte. Yeah. So not the really small 120 something, but not the big 500 I don't need. It's kind of relieving though, because as much as I wanted to fix the old one and I knew I could get more life out of it, I knew I was going to probably upgrade eventually soon anyways, because I don't know how much longer the 2012 computer will support updates or anything like that. So it was kind of a long time coming, and I guess it's a graduation gift to myself. Let's call it that. It has this little flap, I guess, to, it's guiding me. So I'm just taking off the plastic. Oh, it feels so nice. I love how the boxes feel. Oh, I'm so excited. And this has the touch bar, but also the keys on the side. I thought about getting the 2019 model because it was just one more down, and it was only a couple months ago. I think it cost more at Best Buy, which is really confusing. And it also has a full touch bar at the top, which I know I would not like. I want my escape key, and I don't know what else it has, but I think this new 2021, they added those keys back on. So I made sure I got that one. This is really hard to show, but I'm trying to get in the frame, but oh, there it goes. Oh, it's so pretty. This is how it looks in the box. I really like the dark gray color. I just can't believe how much smaller this is gonna be. I'm just gonna take it here out of the rest of the box. So here it is. Oh, it's so light and pretty. I'm gonna wait and take this off in a second. I'm gonna show you what else comes in the box. So when I first open it, it just has the little design by Apple in California. I think there's probably some stickers in here if they still do that, like manual, everything of that nature. I'm also waiting on the adapter that you have to have for USB. That's one thing I'm annoyed about, and I liked my old computer is I had an SD card slot, I had USBs, I had everything you could ever need, and slowly but surely every year they take away more and more ports. So I'm pretty sure this only has the two like miniature lightning, is it called lightning? USB-Cs. And I bought an adapter that has basically everything on one like hub. So I'm going to be able to put in my card. It has a HDMI, different USBs. And I'm going to need that to transfer all my files back because everything's on my hard drive. And that's not coming till Friday. So I am going to do a little bit of a setup with this one, but I can't put all of my stuff on it yet. So other than that, they just give you the charging block, obviously, and the cord. Yeah, so this is so different. Even like the MacBooks before mine, I remember everyone like didn't know which charger they needed. Like I couldn't share with any of my friends because everyone's was so different. They changed it like way too much. But I think this is literally just like the same. It's like the same on both sides. Oh, I don't think they give you the extension cord like they used to. Like mine came with the really long one that I plug into the wall. I'm gonna have to save that because I definitely like using that with the charger. Like you take this out instead of plugging into the wall. It's like a longer cord that you can like attach. When I was trying to fix my old computer, I actually bought a new charger and a new battery from Amazon because I was trying everything I could to fix it, obviously. And now I'm gonna have to return those because they're not gonna serve me any purpose with a new computer. Yeah, I'm gonna take the plastic off of this. Oh, it's so satisfying. Even though I just ripped it, but it's fine. And I'm glad it's an actual Apple charger. That's one thing, is I bought 2 replacement chargers within the time I've had my old computer. And I didn't buy the Apple ones just because they're $80. And I'm like, I can get the same one on Amazon for $30. But it definitely didn't charge it as well. And I think it might have led to what ruined my battery. So with my new one, I'm just going to splurge and get the regular charger if I ever need a new one. Because it really is worth buying Apple products when it comes to that. The adapter that I bought isn't Apple, but I think that's fine because it's like not plugging into anything that has to do with the power. It's just like for transferring files. It was like if it would be any other USB. So that should be okay. I'm really interested to see how the cord plays out with being like so different. I think it's called USB-C. I think that's what they call it. But it's about, oh, it's still really long. But plug this into one side of the charger, which I think is different too. I don't think you were able to take this cord out with the old chargers. Like it was at least attached here. But now I guess I have the option to put whichever side in. So that's that, and I think that's everything in this box. I don't think, if this does come out, I don't think there's anything else in there. So okay, now for the exciting part. It's so small. Like, let me take the plastic off first. It was worth the 2-day wait. Oh my gosh, so small and pretty. I like the dark gray. I feel like it's like something new, and I feel like it shows that it's like one of the newer ones because I feel like the silver is kind of associated with the older MacBooks. I still love it though. I was really in between getting the silver. God, this is so heavy. This is, I think I looked at the specs. This is, I think, 5 pounds, and this is like barely 3. So you can definitely tell the difference. This is huge. Here it is side by side. They're both 13 inches, but this one has so much like extra space around the screen. And then this one's obviously really just to the edges. So I just want to do a little bit of a side by side so you can see. I just realized, does this, Apple logo like light up anymore? Because this like lights up whenever it's on. Maybe that's like outdated. So yeah, I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna move to a different location soon when I like go to actually set it up, but right now I'm just gonna open it here. I'm assuming it has some kind of charge to it. Oh, there's a plastic on it. Oh, there it goes, automatically by itself. So yeah, as you can see, this does have the touch bar here, but it also has the escape key, and I guess that's the power button. That's where it used to be on the old one. Oh my gosh, it's so sleek. The keyboard still lights up. The touch bar will show like your brightness and volume and stuff. So I'm picking up my country. Oh, I'm obsessed with it. So I'm just gonna continue setting up the computer. I think it's just telling me like basic stuff. Transfer information. No, because I'm going to do this on my hard drive, so I'm not going to actually transfer here. It types really well. I really like how it types. And I loved my keyboard on this old one just because they're really raised. I was worried about this being too thin and flat, but it actually works really well. This is just agreeing to terms and conditions. Agree. Oh, I can't like tap, I have to click. That's something I have to set up later in the settings, like how I can like one tap. That's like my favorite thing to do. I love how sleek and pretty it is. It seems like it's going to do so much less and be not as good as my other one just because my other one's so huge. Obviously, like the more compact the better these days. The click is so light and weird. This always asks, do I want to share my analytics? Like, no, it's fine. Screen time, set up later. Oh, I have to do this. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. I don't think this happened with my old one. Like, I think I had Siri on it, but I never used it, and it was way too complicated, and anytime I'd open it, it would be frozen or slow, so. I don't know what this is. Not now. I'm annoyed that I can't put anything on this until I get my adapter on Friday, but, store files from documents. No, I don't like using iCloud Drive. I mean, I don't know, maybe I should do it. I don't typically use it. I like to use Google Drive, so, I mean, I'm sure I can do this later, but yeah, I'm gonna keep that off for now. Oh, it's a Touch ID. Oh, wow. Oh, and it's telling me up here, lift and rest your finger. Oh my gosh, I forgot this was a thing. So does that, like, unlock the computer, I guess, without me having to put my password? Oh, yeah. Interesting. Oh, yeah, definitely light. I hate dark mode. Everyone says the opposite, but no. Light mode forever. True tone display. Your Mac automatically adapts to ambient lighting. Changes lighting display. See without true tone. Oh yeah, I like this on. This was on my old one. It's like if you're in certain lighting, it'll like... Well, actually, I don't know. I don't like it being like warm unless I want it to be. Yeah, no, my old one would just change the wallpaper as the day went by. I don't think it does this. Setting up your Mac. Ugh, so exciting. Sorry, I had to change my battery, my camera, but I think it's actually a better angle now. Why isn't this working? Oh, it's over here. So if you tap that, because I wanted to turn the brightness down a little bit, I guess you do that and you can just like drag it. It's so weird. I'm so used to my buttons. And then you also have the volume. You can mute or do Siri. I thought there was like more. Oh yeah, this is if you want, oh, your control, your dock and stuff. What is that called? Oh, I literally just touched the screen. I'm surprised they don't have that yet. Why don't MacBooks have touchscreens yet? Okay, this is actually going to be kind of hard to get used to. Because I have to like really select where I'm putting my finger. But yeah, you have brightness, keyboard brightness. Why can't I remember what it's called? Launchpad. That's what it is. You can do your windows and the launchpad. Yeah, see, I keep hitting the brightness when I want to hit the arrow. Like I said, I can't put anything on this, but I'm going to have to download like Google Chrome, my Adobe stuff. Oh wait, I'm going to see how fast it is to open this. Oh my god. Literally, that one takes so much longer. My old computer. I got trackpad. That's the first thing I need to do. Yes, I definitely want to tap to click. Yeah, so now I can just do that. I think my secondary click is what I usually do. Yeah, tap with the 2 fingers for like a right click. Yeah, for sure. Oh, you can pick like how intense your clicking is. Yeah, I feel like I like it more intense. So I'm gonna do firm. Tracking speed I think is normal. I would actually put it in the middle, I think. It's a little bit slow. I don't know. I feel like I'm between this one and this one. I'll just leave it at that for now. I don't really do zooming, I don't think, so I don't really care about that. I just can't believe how fast it is already. It has my Apple ID, it's all synced up, my picture's already on there. I guess I can get Google Chrome because who likes Safari? Ugh. See, I have to get used to the keyboard though. Okay, I'm gonna want to put my dock the same way it is on my other computer. That's the thing, is I can't open this and show you because, as I explained in the beginning, it won't work unless it's plugged in. But I'm gonna show you guys a little bit, one last comparison between the two. But of course, like, the system and everything is the same. This still has updates, so it's the latest software, but the screen just obviously doesn't have as much room around the edges. It's like I like Safari because I feel like it's so sleek and nice, but then it's like so annoying. If you use Safari, let me know, because I feel like everyone has Chrome. I just know this is going to support so many more things at once. Like, that's my thing, is I couldn't run a lot of things at once on my old one, which is so annoying because I do that all the time. But like, for instance, like Spotify would always be so weird and it wouldn't work like ever. Like, it would like take forever to open, I'm talking with my hands because I'm not even in the frame, so sorry. But I think this is already ready to go. Yeah, Google Chrome. Definitely want that in the dock, so I'm just gonna put that there for now. And then I'll look at my old one and kind of mirror that. I might as well get Spotify while I'm here. I'll do my Adobe later, because that's a process. Oh yeah, I can even search here. I don't know if you guys can see. On the touch bar, you can search or add a new page, whatever. This is just gonna blow my mind. Like, knowing how fast Spotify is gonna open is gonna be insane, because that's what I have the most trouble with, and I don't know why. Also, I think with buying this from Best Buy, I think I got like a few free couple months of Apple Music. So I guess I can redeem that, but I'm never gonna use it because all my playlists and stuff are on Spotify. So also let me know if you're Apple Music or Spotify person. As much as I love like Apple stuff, it's funny that I don't like Safari or Apple Music. So yeah, everything functions the same, obviously. I think Spotify should be open. See, that was so quick. I didn't even like catch it. I was like, wait, what? A lot of these are gonna go away on my dock because I don't like all of that on there. But let's see how fast this opens. I'm gonna be shook. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, it's so quick. Follow me on Spotify too, because I have the best playlists. That was very quick and satisfying, and yeah. I hate having my trash full, so I'm always gonna empty that. Okay, hopefully this shows a little bit better. Like I said, I can't turn this on, but I want to show you guys like the keyboard difference. This is pretty much the same. So I think on the 2019 model, this was like connected here, like there was no extra space. So it wasn't set up at all like the regular keyboard. So this is pretty much the same. The keys are just a little bit closer and a little bit thinner, like flatter to the keyboard or flatter to the computer. But I'll get used to that for sure. They're a little bit bigger, and I think just not having these, well, everything is in the touch bar, so you don't need much more than that. I'm really sad though, because I feel like I could have got a lot more use out of this. I'm just sad that obviously something happened to the battery. It was a really great computer. I'm really sad. I kind of really like the silver though. I'm really gonna miss that. So looking at it side by side, I'm like, oh, did I make the right decision? But it's fine. I really do like the gray. So I guess it's like a little bit shorter too. I don't know if you can see, it's like not, it doesn't come as far. So overall, I think it's just a smaller computer, which is great because this one, like I keep saying, it was huge. I don't think the light turns on anymore. I was saying this, I think it just looks like that. It's kind of weird. I kind of like the light turning on. I feel like it was like, I don't know, interesting. But yeah, I am sad about this one. We're gonna miss her, but that's just kind of a comparison between the two. And as you can see, much more of an upgrade over here. So that was me unboxing my new computer. I love it. It's so thin and sleek and nice. And it's so fun setting up a new computer too. So hopefully it was fun at getting to see kind of like the difference between a really old MacBook and the brand new model. I definitely recommend this computer if you are looking. I thought about getting the Air, but I was like, no. I've always had a Pro, and I feel like it just does a lot more for what I do, like graphic and photo wise, so I'm really happy with it. So I'm really excited to start using it, and I hope this video was kind of entertaining for you all, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.